Gaza death toll rises to 56, Health Ministry. Israeli airstrikes this week have killed 56 Palestinians, including 14 children and 5 women, in the besieged Gaza Strip as of 5 p.m. local time, on Wednesday, according to Gaza's health ministry. Another 335 Palestinians have been reportedly injured in the blockaded enclave. 5 people have reportedly been killed in Israel by rockets fired from Gaza, while 2 Palestinians were killed overnight during Israeli army raids in the occupied West Bank. Top Hamas commander killed in Israeli airstrike. The Hamas movement has confirmed the death of its Gaza City commander, Bassem Issa, reportedly the highest-ranking military figure in Hamas to be killed by Israel since its 2014 offensive on the enclave. Issa was killed on Wednesday, the movement said, along with other leaders and warriors. Thousands of leaders and soldiers will follow in their footsteps, a Hamas spokesperson said. Earlier on Wednesday, the Israeli army announced that it had also killed Hassan Khayogi, head of the Hamas Military Intelligence Security Department, and his deputy, Wael Issa, head of Hamas Military Intelligence Counter-Espionage Department. Israeli president called Lod protesters bloodthirsty Arab mob. 2 hours ago. The Israeli government has been taking a hardline stance on Palestinian citizens of Israel, especially in the mixed Jewish-Palestinian town of Lod south of Tel Aviv, where Palestinians have taken to the streets in solidarity with Jerusalem and Gaza. Confrontations erupted overnight in Lod between Palestinians and Jewish Israelis in Lod, with cars and buildings burnt, and at least one synagogue torched. Israeli President Reuven Rivlin called the events on Tuesday in Lod a pogrom carried out by a bloodthirsty Arab mob. Israeli security officials have said they reassigned 16 border police battalions from the occupied West Bank to Lod and other towns in Israel, after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu declared a state of emergency in Lod. Palestinian citizens of Israel constitute around 20% of the country's population, and are subjected to a number of discriminatory laws compared to Jewish Israelis. Palestinian-majority towns and villages have long complained of being neglected and underserved by the state.